Want someone to help manage your TikTok shop? I'll show you how to add users the right way. And the first thing you're going to do is log into TikTok Seller Center on a desktop. You're simply going to go here, click My Account, Account Settings. Once you're here, you're going to click on User Management. Once you're there, it's going to look something like this. You're just going to click Add User, and you're going to select the role. If you need help selecting a role, click Need Help, and it's going to show you different permissions. But I'm just going to give this one admin permissions. Type in the email of the person you want to add, the default language. Right now, it's only showing English, and then click Submit. After you do that, they're going to get an email that looks like this. Activate your account as a shop user, right? And they can just click that, and they click here, and then they activate the account. After that, what they're going to do is they're going to make a password and confirm a password, and then they're successfully activated. That's pretty much the simple step. If you want to delete them or change the permissions, you're going to go here and you can click delete or edit their permissions, or just deactivate them if you just want them temporarily not on your account and you want to just reactivate them, right? So it's completely up to you on what you want to do there. But that's it in a nutshell. And if you did need help selling on TikTok, there's a link in the description. You can go to Services, Courses. We have a full TikTok shop course for Amazon sellers. So that way, if you're an Amazon seller, how to make the most out of TikTok. And we've got so much data in there that can help you succeed, just like we did for our clients. But that's it for today's video. If you want more TikTok videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a TikTok seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your TikTok journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything in this mentioned in this video, or just help selling on TikTok, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.